Hi, this is Mackenzie Kronk, and this is my school project part 2 and 3 along with the TMJ. To begin, number 65, we got the sternocleidomastoid, and we got the origins here and here. And up here, we have the insertion. And number 66, we got the trapezius back here, and we have the origin here and here. For 67, the epicranius occipital belly, we got the origin here and here, and we have the insertion up here. For the epicranius frontal belly, we have the origin here, and then we have the insertion here. For number 68, the orbicularis oculi, we got the insertion here, 68A, and then we have the insertion here, 68B. For number 69, the corrugator supercilii, we got the origin here and the insertion here. For number 70, the orbicularis oris, we got one of our origins here, and then we have it here on the mandible. And then for the insertion, got 70B here, and then we also have it here. The number 71, the buccinator, we have one of our origins here, and then we have two down here on the mandible. And then for the insertion, we have it right here. For number 73, we have origin here, insertion down here. Number 74, we have the origin right here, and then both the insertions here, down here. For number 75, the zygomaticus major, we have origin here, and the insertion here. And then for the zygomaticus minor, for 76, we have the origin here, insertion down here. Number 77, we got the origin here, and then the insertion here. For number 78, we have the insertion here, origin down here. Number 79, we have the insertion right here, and then the origin down here. Number 80, the mentalis, we have the origin here and the insertion down here. Number 81, the platysma, we have one insertion here, and then we have one on the mandible here. Number 82, the masseter, we have the origin here, and then the insertion here. Number 83, the temporalis, we have the origin here, and the insertion here. For number 84, we have the origin here, we have the insertion here. Number 85, we got it here, here, and we have it here. For number 86, for the anterior belly, we have the origin here, and the insertion here. Number 86, the posterior belly, we have the origin here, and the insertion. For number 87, the mylohyoid, we have the origin here, and the insertion here. For 88, the stylohyoid, we have the origin here, and then we have the insertion here. Number 89, the geniohyoid, we have the origin here, the insertion here. For the sternothyroid, number 90, we have the insertion here, and the origin here. For number 91, the sternohyoid, we have the insertion here, and the origin here. For number 92, the omohyoid, the inferior belly, we have insertion here, origin here. For the superior belly, we have the insertion here and the origin here. Number 93, the thyrohyoid, we have the origin here, insertion here. For number 94, the genioglossus, we have the origin here, we have an insertion here, as well as here. For number 95, the styloglossus, the origin here, we have the insertion here. For number 96, origin right here. For number 97, we have one origin here, one origin here, and then we have the insertion here. For number 98, we have the origin here, the insertion. For number 99, we have the origin here, insertion here. For number 100, we have the origin here, insertion here. For number 101, got the origin right there. For number 102, we have the origin and insertion right here. 103, the origin and insertion we have right here. Number 104, we got the origin right here. Number 105, we have the origin right here. And we have the insertion here. For 106, we have it here. Here. For 107, got the origin here, insertion there. We have the intermediate tendon right here.